Hello and welcome back. I've picked up the latest news for you so you know the market trends, and we traditionally start with cryptocurrency rates as of today. So Bitcoin is now trading at $28,274. It is 1.20% higher compared to the previous day and 0.47% higher comparing to the previous week. Ethereum is now $1,855. It is 0.79% higher comparing to the previous day and 3.11% higher comparing to the previous week. BNB is now $312. It is 0.47% higher comparing to the previous day and 0.26% higher comparing to the previous week. So as you can see right now, there is an uprise trend happening with cryptocurrencies, and they are actually staying at a pretty same level as it was a week ago. And having this picture in mind, let's actually switch to the news that shape this picture and the news that are happening in the industry. Over half of Bitcoin supply is dormant as accumulation continues. On-chain analytics provider Glassnode has recently released a report indicating that over 50% of the Bitcoin supply is dormant, pointing to a prevalent trend of holding and accumulating it. So according to the data, these coins have been static for the last 2 years, with an all-time high of 53% of supply last active more than 2 years ago. And this suggests that those who bought the digital asset more than 2 years ago are unwilling to sell it. As you can see on the chart, of course, and there was a tweet. And notably, Anthony Pompliano, a popular industry influencer, tweeted that nearly 29% of all Bitcoin in circulation has been dormant for the last 5 years. Glassnode's data also indicates that just under 15% of all circulating Bitcoin has remained inactive for a decade. Pompliano estimates that this accounts for more than $150 billion in market cap that have remained untouched for half a decade, and over 2.7 million BTC lost, forgotten, or held by the most disciplined investors in the world. Hong Kong aims to push for Web3 amid US regulatory crackdown. Hong Kong's finance chief recently stated in a blog post that it's the right time for the city to push for Web3 despite the recent market volatility. This statement comes as Hong Kong is accelerating towards becoming a global crypto hub with a more friendly regulatory stance on the nascent industry. So he reiterated the city's crypto hub ambitions despite the recent fluctuations, and he claimed that now is the right time for the city to push forward with its Web3 plans. And I quote, "The recent instability of the virtual assets market and the collapse of some virtual asset exchanges have caused doubts on the future Web3, but we believe this is the best time to promote development." So, Chen said the crypto industry is going through the same process as the internet in the early 2000s. He noted that after the dot-com bubble burst in 2000, surviving market players focused on technological innovation, applications, and value creation. And that's what is happening right now with cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. Ethereum generates $743 million in fees over 6 months, outpaces rivals and Bitcoin. So Ethereum continues to be the top dog when it comes to generating fees in the blockchain world, signaling its unwavering adoption and growth. In an April 10 report, blockchain data firm Token Terminal revealed that Ethereum generated more than double the fees of its nearest competitor over the past 6 months, raking in a staggering $743 million in cumulative daily fees. Meanwhile, TRON, Ethereum's closest rival, generated less than half at $282 million, with Bitcoin generating just under $80 million during the same period. And here's the chart. So, Token Terminal stresses It stresses the importance of examining fees as a key metric, as it highlights which protocols are genuinely in use and signals continued growth for the ecosystem. Uniswap follows closely behind, landing in third place with $269 million in fees generated over the past 6 months. Cardano draws attention as whales accumulate 560 million tokens. Cardano is recently witnessing more activities from top whales. The whales have pushed their total Cardano holdings close to 3 billion ADA. According to a crypto analyst Ali Charts, Cardano whale addresses holding between 100 million and 1 billion ADA tokens have been on a huge accumulation campaign, but ADA price is yet to reclaim its hold on the $0.40 it lost last week. And the crypto analyst noted the top Cardano whales had amassed about 516 million ADA tokens over the past 2 weeks, and he made the report based on data from the into the block chart. At the time of making this video, the accumulated ADA tokens were worth $218.4 million. LooksRare launches version 2, gas fees reduced from 2 to 0.5%. LooksRare has updated to version 2 and decreased fees by 75%, besides introducing many other features announced on the 6th of April. Version 1 used to charge 2% per trade, which has now been decreased to 0.5% in version 2. Furthermore, the new version has more gas-efficient contracts. As compared to the marketplace such as Blur, users can save approximately 50% on gas fees and approximately 30% on gas fees in comparison to version 1. And from now on, sellers will get rather than wrapped Ether from most sales. Smart contracts enable the bulk purchase and sale of orders if the user wishes to place several trades together. Also, aggregators can incorporate custom recipients to enable users to purchase a non-fungible token with one wallet or send it to another. Sellers can also list non-fungible tokens for sale in token price and not in ETH, which also includes a fixed US dollar price meant to be paid in equivalent ETH. South Korean crypto exchange Gdac hacked for nearly $13 million. And the exchange said on Sunday hackers transferred the crypto assets from a hot wallet to an unidentified wallet. So, hackers transferred nearly $13 million worth of crypto. That is 23% of its total custodial assets from Gdac hot wallet to an unidentified wallet. The hackers stole nearly 61 Bitcoin, 350 Ether, 10 million WEMIX token, and 220,000 USDT. Gdac said it has notified the authorities about the hack and is working to recover the funds. NFT wash trading increases by 126% in February. NFTs and blockchain technology promise transparency, but little do most know. There is still some suspicious trading activity going on. New data indicates a 126% increase in NFT wash trading in February 2023 compared to the previous month of January. This means that people are taking advantage of the system and engaging in shady practices to manipulate prices and mislead potential buyers into buying these digital assets. February marked an astonishing milestone for the NFT marketplaces as trading volume rocketed to $1.89 billion. This recovery signaled a much needed positive sign for the industry after it had been struggling in 2022. Bitget launches $100 million Web3 fund in Asia. Bitget, a prominent crypto derivative and copy trading platform, has launched a $100 million fund to support next-generation crypto projects in Asia. The Bitget Web3 fund was introduced during Hong Kong Blockchain Week. It will invest in Web3-friendly venture capital and exceptional Web3 projects. Following the announcement on the 10th of April, several VCs have already inquired about potential partnerships with the funds, including ABCDE Capital, Foresight Ventures, 7X Ventures, Dragonfly Capital, and DAO Maker. And according to a Bitget representative, the entity is reportedly self-funded and comes after it had invested $30 million in the decentralized multi-chain wallet Bitkeep. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you good luck and I wish you very good investments. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.